Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can invite someone to a group chat on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a group chat on Instagram. So I'm going to go to my Instagram direct messages, and then we can click on this pencil icon and select create group chat. Okay, and we can add people to our group chat. I'm going to add this account and this one as well, and we're going to click on create group chat. Okay, and now the group chat has been created guys, and we can change the name and also the icon of our group chat. I'm going to change the account to this icon, and we can click on done. Okay guys, and if you want to add more people to your group chat, you can simply click on add people right here, and you can select people you want to add to your group chat, or you can also use the invite link to invite someone to your group chat, just in case if the account you want to add cannot be added to the group chat due to the privacy setting. You can use the invite link. You can copy the invite link like this, and then you can share the invite link to your friends through other applications such as Facebook, TikTok, or WhatsApp or Telegram. It's up to you. Or you can send the invite link to your friends on Instagram. You can click on invite link right here, and then you can click on send in Instagram like this, and you can search for the account you want to share, or you can simply choose the account from the suggestion. Okay, let's say I want to share this invite link to this account, and we can also write a message for the invitation. Okay, then we can click on send. Okay, and now the invite link has been sent to that account. Or you can click on share, and you will be able to share it through other applications. Okay guys, and that's all the way to invite someone to a group chat on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.